today we're going to make strawberry, kiwi, and blueberry marmalade. We're going to start with strawberry, so we're going to throw our chopped strawberry into the pan, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and stir. Let it caramelize. This step is quite easy. You're just gonna let it cook as you stir continuously. This point is almost done. So if you wish to have it in a more fine paste, you can puree it. But as for me, I like it just the way it looks. I'm going to transfer and set it aside. I'm going to take our chopped kiwis, add 1 tablespoon of sugar again. If you have lemon, you can add on top, stir, and let it cook until it turns its color to a more lighter color. We are going to take our blueberries, add them into our pan, add 1 tablespoon of sugar and smash them a bit. Let it cook until it thickens. Guys, look at that color. And if you would like to have a natural color, a natural purple color, just make sure you do reduction and you get a really perfect color. You don't even need to go and buy other colors. Put them in separate bowls and let it cool. So these are my cool products. Tastes really nice. We're going to take our heavy cream, mix it until it becomes a little bit thick, then mix it at a higher speed until it becomes solid for you to be able to work with on a cake or scone or anything. The reason as to why I didn't add any sugar in my heavy cream is because of the marmalade that already had enough sugar, which will balance everything else. Now I took my already cut into halves scones and put some fresh fruits on top of it, like that strawberry, because you know what strawberry is. Then I went to kiwi, and last but not least, I took my blueberries, put them, just 3 nice blueberries. Afterwards, I just piped it out like a circle to create a hole for the marmalade to go in the middle. And then I took the kiwi and put it inside. Then the blueberry filling. In the middle they were sweet, and then the strawberry one. Their colors were actually amazing. And then to finish it off, I just piped again on top of them, just to do like a small presentation of what inside was made of. At some point I thought it was much, but I liked it, and that's what matters. And voila, this is how it all ended up looking, and I was in love with the decoration. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so that when I upload, you'll get notified. Stay home, stay safe, and love you all.